Welcome back, folks. This is Hire It Done. My name's Adam Helfman. What a great interview we just had with the Fent people. That's a really good product. You know, obviously we always promote contractors and, you know, the best product is one that's installed properly. And we always like talking that way. But a good product sells itself, too. So if you think about it, you know, all the top landscapers in Metro Detroit use Fent. And there's other brands, right? And everyone has a choice. But if I'm going to hire a landscaper and the landscaper says to me, hey, Adam, we have Fent, we have this other one, which one do you want? I'm going to be like, oh, Michigan made. Yeah, I want to go with the Michigan made one. Always support local. That makes a big difference here in the city, in the whole state, actually. So home improvement's booming, as we all know. And a lot of people come, you know, one of the top requests at Hire Done is painting. And then siding. Getting good siding, guys, is really difficult this year. So what do you do when you're not sure what you want? Well, let me give you an alternative. Liquid rubber siding. Now, I've been promoting liquid rubber siding for, I don't know, Tim, how many years?
Hey, it's got to be 12.
Yeah, like we've known each other
years,
like
yeah.
05, 06 or something. So I've known about this product for a long time. So in the studio is Tim Morell from Liquid Rubber Siding. And obviously it's a paint product that is less money than siding, which is the best part about it. So Tim, tell everyone about liquid rubber siding.
Well, liquid rubber siding is what they call an elastomeric coating. It goes on 8 to 10 times thicker than regular paints. And the beauty of it is all about keeping the character of the home, just making it very low maintenance for you.
Low maintenance. I love that word.
Yeah, you can't say totally maintenance free. There's
Nothing
no such
is.
thing.
You know, like I'll use Trex decking as an example. Great product if it's installed properly.
Correct, yeah.
And they say a 25-year, warranty, this and that. But you still have to maintain it. And the maintaining of a Trex deck is power washing and sweeping it. But it's not maintenance free.
Right.
Low maintenance.
And low maintenance, yeah. Mm-hmm.
So I've seen your product 10 years later. Okay. And once it's cleaned, it looks brand new.
Yeah, it's amazing how it's working. That's the beauty of it.
So liquid rubber siding, let's talk about it really quick. You say it's an elastomeric coating, 8 to 10 times thicker than paint. I got a wood-sided house that's 4 feet up of brick, then wood siding.
Sure, very common.
But I want to change the color of everything. Can I do the brick too?
Oh, sure, certainly. Oh, yeah, we definitely can do the brick. We don't do it that often, of course.
Right, but you can.
Mostly any type of wood, aluminum, brick, stucco, cement block, vinyl.
So there's at the top of the course of the brick is what we call a soldier course, and then the siding sits on top of that.
Sure.
And I have an overhang. And over 20 years, water's dripped and hit the soldier course, but hit the edge of the wood. Mm-hmm. So that strip of wood that touches the brick is a little bit rotted in a few places.
Sure.
When I call liquid rubber siding out to come give me a quote, and it's a free estimate, right?
Definitely. Oh, yes.
And I have that wood. Do you replace it? How do you assess it?
Well, there's 2 different ways of really doing something like that. A lot of times we'll get into a situation like that, and it's the T111 where they're 4x8.
Exactly.
And so in those cases, we have 2 options: either replace the wood, the sheet altogether, or sometimes we get into a situation where we trim the board back 3-4 inches and then put a new cedar trim board in there.
Okay.
Which gives it a nice new look. And
so you're not going to put it over rotted wood?
Oh, definitely not.
Okay.
Oh, no.
So you actually do an inspection of the house?
Oh, definitely. Oh, yeah. That's the first, when I go out on the estimate, that's what we're doing is inspecting the house, seeing exactly what is entailed and making sure that we do it right. Yeah, especially since we're guaranteeing it for 25 years. We're not going to be a Band-Aid. We're going to make sure it's done right. So we get out there and see what we need to do, see what we got to replace.
And I've seen your estimates are very thorough and very comprehensive. And what's good about with liquid rubber siding and you is because you're the owner, but you do all the sales, you do everything.
Well,
except for
that's the fun part of the
crew.
job. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, you got a crew, but the thing is the homeowners are dealing with the owner, right? So that's an important thing. Now, if anybody wants to get a hold of Tim Morell at Liquid Rubber Siding, the phone number is 800-781-6533.
Or the local numbers, 248-931-6589.
And then, of course, folks, if you're driving, you can't write it down or whatever. It's really simple. Just go to hireitdone.com, click on, liquid rubber siding. You'll have it. It will get you to Tim right away. In fact, our YouTube channel, Hire It Done YouTube, has a really, really great comprehensive video. We've done a couple of them actually
A
together.
couple of them, yes.
They're actually really good.
Yeah, it shows exactly what we do. We don't just slap on and paint.
Yeah, and it's awesome. So, and it's a 3-step process.
Yeah, we have to do at least a 2-step, the adhesive primer, and then the durable finish coat goes on everything. The middle coat of our system is an insulating blanket, so it is optional.
So it's a 2-step, but there's a 3rd step if you want as an option. Now that's the ceramic we call it.
Well, yeah, it's a high concentration of 3M ceramics, and it helps insulate the home. So when we do a complete home, it actually can help save on energy costs. If we're doing just the trim work on the house, then we just do the 2-step, the adhesive primer and the durable finish.
Okay,
coat.
and it's less money for the 2-step.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay,
Yes. Yeah.
so it's an easy 2-step. So let's break it down. So the first step, obviously, you're going to clean the house.
Yeah, the first day is just strictly pressure wash. All we do that day. Second day, we're replacing rotted wood. We do a lot of caulking on the job. One thing we've learned is builders never really caulk the house correctly.
Never. And you can't caulk over caulk. I always tell people that. Right. So you have to take out what's there or make sure that the caulk is done really nice.
Correct, right. And, of course, we use the urethane caulk when we do it. So.
Oh, so it is urethane. Yeah. Okay, so that's good.
And then the adhesive primer goes on. It's soaks right in, waterproofs it, and has all the adhesives to hold the system together. The nice part about that one is it dries pretty quick. So on a beautiful day, we can start one corner house. By the time we got back around, it's probably cured. We can go right into the next step. It's
okay.
Kind of nice because when it cures, it's sticky. So in the spring, you got cotton flow through the air. Fall, you got leaves. You got bugs all the time. So it's nice to be able to keep the process going.
I gotcha. Now, an average job takes 3, 4, 5 days, or
it's
assuming good weather.
3 to 6 day work week, depending on what we're doing for you. Trim jobs, of course, aren't going to take as long, whereas the full homes. It all depends on the prep work, of course. You get into aluminum sided home and all it needs to be is pressure washed. Those go a little bit faster. You get into a wood home where you got to scrape it all down, replace the rotted wood, that type of thing. Of course, you're talking more days.
And then the finish coat, it's just what you call it, a durable finish coat.
The durable finish coat, yeah. We tint it any color that you like. It's sprayed on. We can roll it, we can brush it, but you get a much nicer coating when it's sprayed.
Yeah, it's a better coverage.
Correct.
So I have the fan deck from PPG because I'm a PPG guy. And I like a certain gray. I give you the PPG color gray and say, this is what I want. You can match it.
Yeah, I custom tint everything. So we go back to the office. We'll mix up a color. We'll put it on a board. You bring it out to you. You get final approval before it ever goes on the house. So if you say, nah, that's too yellow gray, or I want more of a gray type thing, then we go back and remix a new color.
Now, is there the finish is the finish. It's not like an interior with an eggshell or a flat or a satin. It's just one type of finish.
Yeah, it's a flat finish. We do have an eggshell available to us, a satin finish, but personally, I can't tell the difference between them.
Okay.
It does have the flat even has a little bit of a sheen to it.
So like, I'm going to give you an example. My house has 3-foot overhangs.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And they're plywood I think it's birch, actually, the overhangs. But there's like, it's like a dark, it looks like a little bit of mold, but I don't know if it's mold. It's just a dark, it's darkened, right?
Right.
When you guys apply, when you power wash the house, does that get rid of that? Or is it, what makes it so that when you put your finish over, I'm not going to see the dark?
Well, it's we do pressure wash it, of course, and if we have to, we get up there with some type of crud cutter or something like that to make sure that it's cleaned up thoroughly.
Okay.
And then the coating goes over top. There's actually a chemical in our product designed to prevent it from growing back. Although mold and mildew is a living organism, it can grow on anything. So,
which makes sense.
Right.
So we're talking liquid rubber siding, folks. So if you're thinking of getting vinyl siding for your house, or maybe hardy siding, you already have existing siding, you can have this as an option.
Correct.
It's less money than vinyl siding.
Well, I tell people, especially if you got aluminum, the old aluminum, and you're thinking about changing it to vinyl siding, aluminum lasts forever. All it needs is a nice coating on it.
So that chalky finish on the aluminum,
right? We eliminate that. Yeah.
No problem. Yeah. You can paint it, and our one video was aluminum siding.
Correct. Yes.
It's amazing, folks. I urge you to take a look. Go on YouTube, type in "Hire It Done," type in "liquid rubber siding," and you will see the video that Tim and I did on a house. What city was that? Oak Park, Royal Oak?
That was
Ferndale?
Oak Park. The last one was Oak Park.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Time is flying. Tim, thanks for coming in.
Well, thank you.
Liquid rubber siding rocks, by the way.
Thank you very much.
How long have you been with Hire It Done?
15 years now.
Right?
Yeah.
And you like it?
Oh, it's been great, yes.
Well, we like you.
Great.
Thanks for your business.
Thank you.
Folks, last Saturday of the month, thank you for tuning in. Next week, more Hire It Done. Fall checklist, what to do around your house for the fall, coming up next week. I'm Adam Helfman. You're listening to Hire It Done on 97.1 The Ticket.